Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Marvels of Life, and today I will be talking to you about my Bose earbuds, which is the Bose SoundSports Free. I've been using these earbuds for the last 8 months now, and I just thought to quickly share my experience with this earbuds with all of you. In today's world, everybody wants to migrate from hands-frees to earbuds, but then everybody is really confused which one to buy since there are so many products which are available in the market at different price points. When I started my journey to buy a good quality pair of earbuds, I was also damn confused. Since there were so many products in the market, I have tested and tried each and every product which was available in the market. You name the brand, I have tried that brand, whether it is Bloppo, whether it is JBL, Noise, Sony, Skull Candy, all the brands I have tried, but I was not really happy with the quality of the sound or maybe the voice quality or the bass quality. There was something or the other which was missing in each and every earbud, and finally I get hold of this Bose Sound Sports Free. This is a great, I would say this is one of the best earbuds that I've seen in the market available. So today I would like to share my experience of this hands free with all of you. But before I start, I'll quickly tell you what all components are available in the box which I've got for this product. So as you can see, this is the product of this Bose Sound Sports Free. It's a very high quality box. The price which is mentioned on this product is 18,990 rupees, which is it's damn expensive. If you open the box, yeah, it's a very elegant looking box. If you open the box, there is this earbuds which is there with the box. Then there is the literature which is there, the warranty card and everything. Then you will also find a micro USB cable which is there in the box. Plus there are different ear tips, 3 sizes of ear tips which are also available in the box. So I think overall the quality is really amazing. Since the price is really high, it's a very premium, one of the most premium brand available in the market. The quality of the box and the product are really good. Now I would say, coming to the product, I think this is the earbud which I'm talking about. It's pretty big, and if you open it, yeah, these are the earbuds which are there. Yeah, these are magnetic ones, pretty high quality. Yeah, so these are the basic components which are available in this box. So now I'll tell you my experience on different parameters. So the parameters that I've chosen is the voice quality, sound quality, bass and treble quality, battery backup, grip of the earbuds, and the connectivity issues. So trust me, I was really cautious to buy these earbuds because these are really expensive. I bought them for around 15,000 on an Amazon sale, but the current price of these product is around 19,000 rupees. So this is really expensive, and it took me, I would say, at least 2-3 months to finally decide whether I really want to spend that much of money on this earbud. But trust me, every rupee that I've spent is really worth. I've been using it for the last 8 months now, and I've not got any concerns, any issues with this product. So let me tell you the main pros and pros and cons of this product. So if I'll talk about the pros. So if you will see the build quality of the earbuds are really amazing. I'll show you. If you see, the color is also amazing. I've bought the black color. Just is a metallic gold finish which is also there, so it looks really premium, and the quality is amazing. The quality is really nice. They are not that heavy, also pretty lightweight, but the quality is really amazing. They come with a magnetic grip, so even if you put it like this, they will not fall back. So they are attached with this magnetic strip which is there on both the sides, on the case also and on the earbuds also. If you'll see, these are the charging points which are there. So these are the lights which shows how much the battery is charged. So once you press this thing, you will see the lights will light up. So these are basically 5 battery indicators which are there, which shows what is the percentage of battery which is there. And these are the lights which shows that the earbuds have been fully charged. So if the lights are blinking, it means that the earbuds are charging, but if the lights are constant, it means that the earbuds are fully charged. Then the charging cable, I would say it uses a micro USB port, as you can see. So I would say overall a very nice build quality. I have been using it, as I told you, for the last 8 months. I can't see any issues which is there on this earbuds. So pretty solid. Now the second pros that I would like to talk about is the sound quality. I'm a really big music lover. I really like loud music, really clear music with heavy bass. So as I told you, I've tried a lot of products. I've tried Sony, I've tried Bloppo, I've tried JBL, which I have tried Skull Candy, which are the best names in the market. But the sound quality of these earbuds is really amazing. If I need to really rate these products in terms of bass and in terms of clarity and in terms of treble, I would really rate them 10 out of 10. So if music is something that really fascinates you, inspires you, then I would say go for these one without thinking, without giving a second thought to it. Yeah. Now moving on to the second benefit of this is the superb grip which is there. As you can see, the ear tips are really very unique and very different. They easily sits in your ear and they doesn't fall apart. So even if you are, when you are doing heavy workout also, or running also, or doing any kind of gym, they will never fall apart. So I've been using them for the last 8 months and not even single times they've really fallen apart. And there are three types of ear tips which are available in the box. You can use them as per your ear size, and trust me, they will never fall apart from your ears. I use different products also. As I told you, I use JBL also, Sony also, but I've seen several times they've fallen and they've come out from my ear also. And many of my friends are using different brands also. They've even lost their earbuds because of the grip which was missing. Now the next pros is battery backup. So I think battery is something that is really important for any earbud. Otherwise you'll keep on just charging the earbuds. Unlike hands-free, which are very user friendly, you don't need to charge them. So I think battery backup is something that is really very important. As per the company, they claims 5-hour battery backup for this. I can't tell you the exact number of hours right now. I've never measured them, but then trust me, I'm a very heavy user of these earbuds on a daily basis. I use them throughout the day for my entire calling, and I charge this entire case, I would say, only for once in a week, and I for the entire week I don't need to charge it. So it's pretty really good in terms of battery backup. So I think 10 out of 10 on the battery part for these earbuds. Then another pros is the connectivity. So again, as I told you, I've been using a lot of earbuds previously also, and I see the connectivity has been a big concern. If one side connects, the other one doesn't connect, and if sometimes both of them doesn't connect. So but then that is the least thing that I've ever encountered with the Bose. The thing is that you just need to keep it inside the case, and as soon as you take them out and you put it on the ear, and these are automatically connected. If you put out one, only one will be connected. If you put out the other one, only then the second one would be connected. If you take out both of them will get connected. So really very easy, and it gets automatically connected. Never faced any kind of connectivity issues. So on the connectivity part also, I would like to give this hands-free earbud 9 out of 10. Another great feature of this earbuds is noise cancellation. So even if the music is off, even if there's no sound playing inside the earbuds, and you have put the earbuds on, you'll not be able to hear the sound which is there outside. So I would say it cancels around 80% of the noise outside. So if you are there in a very crowded place and you want some peace, you want to concentrate, even if you put these earbuds on without any music playing or on the calls, you will be able to get rid of 80% of the outside noise. So which is a very good feature of this earbuds. Another great feature of this earbuds is that these are water resistant and sweat resistant. So I normally use them for my workout. I do a lot of gym also. I do a lot of running also. I sweat a lot, and I've used them in the rains also. Yeah, trust me, I have used them a couple of times in the rain also, and they worked really great. So though this product is really amazing, but then every product comes with some of the disadvantages also. So I've already spoken a lot about the good things that are there in this earbuds, but at the same time I would also like to tell you some of the things that are missing in this earbud. One of the biggest issues I found in this earbud is on the calling feature, wherein you can use only the right one for calling and the left one doesn't work. So if you are really want to use it for both the ears while doing the calling, that's not possible at all. You can only use the right one for calling. So I found it pretty irritating when I'm there in loud like there's a lot of noise in the background or nearby, then I would really want to have both the earbuds giving me the voice calling, but then that is missing in this earbud. Then another disadvantage is that if you can see the box, it is pretty big. The charging case is pretty big. So initially when I looked at it, I really didn't want to buy it because the size is too big. When you put it in your pocket, it really comes out, it really bulges out, which is really something really odd. So I normally don't keep it in my pocket, but then that is a big problem that I could see. But then now I've got used to it, and I think that is a small issue which can be taken care of. Maybe you can keep it in your bag or somewhere else, but then keeping it in the pocket would be a bit of a problem. Another issue that I see is that since in the technology we have been constantly improving and changing, this earbud still comes with a micro USB port. If you can see, there is a micro USB port, so non-availability of the Type C port. All the phones that I'm using at my home are Type C, so I had to carry another USB cable for this in order to charge this case. So that is a bit annoying. So this is something that I really didn't like about this thing. And the last issue that I would like to talk about is only and only the price. Though I think Bose is a brand which everybody really wants to aspire for, one of the best brands in the entire world, but then it comes with a huge price. This earbuds cost around 19,000 rupees, and you can get a really big boombox speaker and that price. But in Bose you get a really this earbuds, but I would say it's worth money spent. So if you have that kind of budgets, and if you can really make that you can really buy it, I would say definitely go for it. You will not regret it. It's a one time buy and you will really love it. The sound that comes out of this Bose will really blow your mind. It feels like as if you are sitting in a DJ or in a club. So that is the sound quality which is there, and it's really crystal clear, which Bose is really known for. So I would say you should definitely go for this. I'll also like to tell you that this is not a paid review. This is my honest, genuine review as a customer of this earbuds. So all the few points that I've mentioned in this review are purely based on my experience with these earbuds. And definitely I would like to really recommend you to buy these earbuds. I bought these earbuds during a sale on Amazon for around 15,000 bucks. Maybe if you want to buy these earbuds, you can wait for another few, like I would say, weeks or something. Amazon is planning another sale, and then the price might come down. But then if you're really looking out to buy a really good quality earbud, definitely Bose is the right product for you. So that's it in the video for today. If you really like the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.